Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to be unboxing with my little friend. I'm unboxing a LOL's mini surprise, and I will surprise you the ox surprise. And Emery's the cameraman. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm gonna start with the LOL surprise minis. I legitimately just barely trimmed my nails, so this is gonna be so difficult to open.
75 years later.
Okay, after a very long struggle, I opened it. It's a sign. That one, we're gonna open this one first. It's a bathtub! I knew it was a sign. What is this? What? Well, now I already know what I got. You guys have to wait. Okay, here's the bathroom floor. I don't know what this wall goes to, but something. The wall. Oh my gosh! It's a fish! Still have not gotten a cat one of these. Why?
Puff, cheese, scratch, grizz, feathers, powder, crunch, squeaky, and smooch. And there's another side. There's squeeze, burr, bitsy, sup, snooze, sniff, nibbles, roar, and screech. I have screech and burr.
Now, behold. It looks even better than the picture. Look at this ducky. Look at that guy. Squeaky. Squeaky. There you go. Amazing. Now we go for the next ball. Thank you. Okay, now we open. So pretty. What this? What is the point of this envelope? Keep that. Can we just talk about how beautiful this ball? So pretty. Oh my gosh. Yum yum. It says yum yum all over it. Ooh. That next to the yum yum. Shoot. Now you can tell this is a pen because there's 4 shoes. Oh my gosh, these shoes are really cute.
Dad, look at them. They have little flowers on the front and they're red.
Look at this bag. This is such a pretty bag. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The hair is so sparkly. Look at this. Sparkly. Very sparkly.
Oh, that hair is sparkly.
I love this cow. I mean, ox. We have to put all the stuff on. It's not... Why do I keep calling it a cow?
So pretty. Yum.
She's a spitter because I feel the air. Oh, that is going to be all for the video. Goodbye.